morning class. It is our chemistry video, class 10, part 2nd. In our first video, we discussed some chemical reactions, which is our first topic. हमने अपनी फर्स्ट वीडियो में पढ़ा था केमिकल रिएक्शन क्या होता है. we just take some examples like digestion of food, staling and respiration, rusting of iron. These all examples we studied in our first video, and we discussed some definition of chemical reaction and what are reactant and product. हमने इतना अपनी फर्स्ट वीडियो में कवर कर लिया है. सो फर्स्ट वी रिवाइज इट, देन वी स्टडीड अबाउट न्यू टॉपिक. स्टूडेंट्स, जब हम एग्जाम्पल्स पढ़ रहे थे, एग्जाम्पल्स देखिए हमने कि डाइजेशन ऑफ फूड, हाउ अ केमिकल रिएक्शन टेक प्लेस इन डाइजेशन ऑफ फूड, सेम एज इन रस्टिंग, रेस्पिरेशन. There are some changes also observed. We observe some changes like digestion of food. The changes, we take energy from it. In staling of food, the healthy state of food converted to unhealthy state. Respiration, some exchange of gases take place. Rusting, the corrosion of metal take place. Okay students, so there are some regions through which a chemical reaction occurs and we observe them in our daily life. So what a chemical reaction means, we already discussed it. It is a permanent change in which कोई भी जो original substance है, it cannot reverse its first form, or called as irreversible change. A change which is a permanent, in which a original substance give rise to one or more new substance. So it is a chemical change. वो change जिसमें जो ओरिजिनल सब्सटेंस है वो किसी न्यू सब्सटेंस में फॉर्म हो जाए या अपनी फर्स्ट या इनिशियल स्टेट को रीगेन नहीं कर सकता. So it is a chemical change and chemical reaction through which the process it occurs. Some reactions are in. They are known as chemical reaction or called as the formation of new product with some reactions are called as chemical reaction, and it is irreversible. Like the process which transforms one or more substance into new substance. वो प्रोसेस जिसके थ्रू कोई भी एक से ज़्यादा सब्सटेंस कन्वर्ट होते हैं इन अ न्यू प्रॉपर्टी और विथ सम न्यू प्रॉपर्टीज और सब्सटेंस इज अ केमिकल रिएक्शन. Then we discuss some reactant and product which take part in reaction, which are the basic of our reaction, and we take an example of rusting of iron. So Fe, which is the symbol of iron, and when it reacts with water and oxygen, these are the substitutes which take part in a reaction, so they are called reactant. According to definition, a substance which take part in chemical reaction, वो substance जो किसी chemical reaction में part लेते हैं, through which a chemical reaction occur, is known as a reactant, and the new substance which formed or a new property with some new properties, it's known a product, like Fe2O3, which is a formula of ferric oxide, which is the corrosion. You called as the formula of corrosion of iron. So it is the reaction which takes part, and when the new substance is formed is called a product. Like cooking of food, आपने पहले रॉ मटेरियल कलेक्ट करा. रॉ मटेरियल क्या हो गया आपका? Like your wheat, grains, these are are your raw materials and you can call it reactant, and they are taking part to forming a new substance. न्यू सब्सटेंस क्या बनेगा जब वो उसमें हीट, उसमें भी स्टूडेंट्स सी कि यू आर गिविंग हीट, काफ़ी सारे केमिकल रिएक्शन हो रहे हैं, दे आर ट्रांसफॉर्मिंग देयर स्टेट फ्रॉम रॉ मटेरियल टू फॉर मेकिंग अ प्रोडक्ट, to like when you're cooking a grain, cereals or dal, it needs a heat. We will discuss, there are two types of heat, we will discuss it further, but simply I am describing you reactant and product on a general basis. जैसे कि अभी कुकिंग ऑफ फूड, तो जो फूड प्रिपेयर्ड होके आएगा विथ सम न्यू प्रॉपर्टीज, सो इट इज़ अ प्रोडक्ट. Same as the most common example of magnesium oxide or a magnesium ribbon, activity 1. When we burn a magnesium ribbon with air, I already described you, air is a oxygen, but before burning the magnesium ribbon with air, we have to remove the layer of magnesium carbonate because it is the protective layer of the magnesium ribbon. हमें जब हम एक्टिविटी परफॉर्म करेंगे, we have to remove that layer because it acts as a protective covering on the magnesium ribbon. So take a strip of magnesium ribbon, like you can see, which is supported with a tongue, and when it burned in the air called as an oxygen, it will burn with a dazzling flame. Magnesium ribbon burns with a dazzling flame and give a white powder collected on a glass. You can see here. So magnesium ribbon, जब हम magnesium ribbon को burn करेंगे, it will burn with a dazzling flame or gives a white product. Now there are two types. First is reactant and other is product. अब आप लोग कैसे बताएंगे इसमें reactant क्या है and product क्या है? Reactant हमारा हो गया magnesium, because it's taking a part in reaction, and oxygen also, and when they react they form a new product which is magnesium oxide. Here is the reaction. Magnesium when react with oxygen, it forms magnesium oxide which is white in color. So there are two characteristics which happen. First, change in color. You can see the white powder. Next is change in the state. So they are the reactant and it is a product. Next, अब स्टूडेंट्स हम पढ़ रहे हैं केमिकल रिएक्शंस क्या होता है, बट हाउ कैन वी कंक्लूडेड दैट अ केमिकल रिएक्शन ऑकरिंग इन अ सब्सटेंस. हमें कैसे पता लगता है कि किसी भी सब्सटेंस में केमिकल रिएक्शन हो रही है? देयर आर सम बेसिक कैरेक्टर्स लाइक चेंज इन कलर, चेंज इन टेम्परेचर, वॉल्यूशन ऑफ गैस, प्रेसिपिटेशन, फॉर्मेशन एंड स्टेट. एंड नॉट ओनली, ज़रूरी नहीं है कि एक रिएक्शन में कोई एक ही हमें चेंज ऑब्जर्व हो. इट इज़ नॉट नेसेसरी, बट we can observe these 5 characters in a single reaction or 2 characteristics in also a single reaction, other 3 also. हमें ये चेंजेस एक भी ऑब्जर्व हो सकता है, we can observe 3 of them or observe all 5. So first is evolution of gas. Whenever a reaction takes place, there are some removal of a gas or immersion of a gas. You can call it liberation. You can understand here clearly. Evolution of gas, like जैसे coal combustion. Whenever coal combustion means जो coal होते हैं black in color, it's a carbon and carbon is donated with C. Coal is a carbon. Combustion means any substance which comes in contact with oxygen. So when it combines with oxygen, it will liberate carbon dioxide. You can easily understand from example of traditional trains. जो पुराने टाइम्स में जो ट्रेन चलती थी, they run with the help, they don't run with electricity, they run with the coal or coal combustion. So coal is a carbon and when it combines with oxygen it form carbon dioxide gas. और कभी भी जो जब गैस रिलीज होती है it will always shown with the arrow. तो then हमें क्या बताता है, it is a gas which is liberated. So evolution of gas. Next, like metal when react with acid it produce hydrogen gas. But there are many examples and we will discuss in our next video. Okay.